Hi everyone, so today we are going to do an unboxing and review of the Tomight electric nail drill kit. So let's get into it. First thing we've got here, an instruction manual. We've got the actual handheld piece here. It's good construction, very heavy. And then we have the actual box and power control. Alright, we've got a lot of pieces here. You can see there's a ton of spare pieces in here. A bunch of different drill bits right here. Got the wiring. Got a cap. Goes somehow like this, or I guess it goes like this. And then it would just stick right there on the side. Okay, it's cool. And some just extra throw-ins here. So we have a charging port. We have a USB plug in case we want to charge our phones or something, and this is the wire to connect to this device. Alright, let's go ahead and try it out. So I think they're interchangeable. You can use either side. Plug this in here. And just a quick test before we change any bits or anything. Alright, as soon as I turn it on, I can hear that it's spinning. I'm sure you can't see it in the video, so let me change it out so you can see it a little bit better. Okay, so I took out this drill bit here, and I put a little black mark around the edge here to hopefully make it a little bit easier so you'll be able to see once it's actually spinning. But I'm sure it's going to be going so fast you're not going to really be able to tell that much, but there's that little black mark. Alright, and then on this actual piece here, it shows that to unlock it, you just turn it to the left. So actually you only have to turn it here. Just turn it to the left, and this piece comes right out. Just going to put the new piece in. And again, turn to the right to lock it. Okay, so I'm going to turn it on the lowest setting here. And yeah, you can barely see it. Now that's on the very lowest setting, and we can actually just speed it up. And looks like it goes pretty fast. Okay, so it goes all the way up to 30. You can kind of hear it at this volume. You can kind of hear it at this speed, just to let you see that it's actually working. And then you can put this button right here. You can hear that it's switched into reverse. You can see it's now going the other way. Okay, cool. Okay, last thing I want to see is that it actually can work as a power bank. So here's my cell phone here, and I'm just gonna plug in my USB charger. Alright, let's see if it charges. And there you go. Shows that it is charging. So overall, looks like it works really good. I can see status here. It's built really well. It's nice and sturdy. It spins very fast. All the pieces are Looks like it's very good construction. All the pieces look like very good construction, so very happy with it. All right, thank you, Tomight. Great product.